Want to be a qualified investor? Must be first, establish your own trading system and trading discipline. In my own trading process, I will strictly abide by my trading discipline, because the stock market is ever changing. If it is because of some up and down fluctuations in the session, easily change strategy often outweighs the gain, almost fell into the vortex. Obviously judge accurately, but because the disciplinary department is strict, it can't hold the stock. Almost doubled, almost to the bottom, almost escaped the top. It's very painful to fall into this vortex. I think some investors should have a deep understanding. Today I will teach you how to establish trading discipline. First, according to the amount of funds traded and the number of transactions, clarify your trading style. Are you a long-term trader or a short-term trader? I personally keep a portion of the funds. Take a position for long-term trading. There is also a part of the funds used as short-term dial-off transactions. Second, understand that during the transaction process, it's not just trading skills that matter. Decide whether this transaction is successful. Often to a greater extent it depends on you. Stock selection ability. This is also a headache for many novices. Often follow the trend of stock selection. You buy whatever people buy. This is definitely not possible. Sarah retorted 120. Here it is. Leak. I recommend a very silly stock picking method. Novice has no pressure. Open the US Stock Cloud Zen Master to enter the Super Stock Selection. In Super Stock Picks, we can select the stocks of the stock golden pool. What about this cycle? If it is a long-term investor, we can choose a 30-minute or day limit level. If it is a short-term investor, you can choose a level below 15 minutes. Some of the strategies below are root. Choose according to your own needs. Let's say you want to operate a bull. Then you're in the bulls. Select from the options and bottom fishing strategies like this. It must be the most commonly used and most concerned by everyone. Then we're going to take the day limit level out. So, for example, choose a time for it at this place. Then click OK. After entering the inside, there will be so many stocks. If you are novice, personal suggestion to choose a larger market value, more trading volume. For example, a stock like Tesla, after clicking in, can be seen at his daily level. There is a special haystack moon for bottom fishing below our pink cylinder. It is the outsole just selected. For such a signal, what strategy does it convey? We can take a look. It shows an upward trend. Here to this high point. About a 3-month increase. So for novice, this is already very easy to grasp. Does not require any professional knowledge. No skill required. According to this step of super stock selection, basically, you can choose the stock you want form. You can choose the stock you want form. After the first step of stock selection is completed, go to the second step, trading tips. Clear specific buying and selling points. We need to go to a smaller level. Let's say 30 minutes. See a big bottom here. We are in the red hub ahead. Significant decline. After consecutive red K lines, what you need to pay extra attention to is first adopted K line at 212.36. A location like this is a great buying opportunity. The analysis is like this, but I know for this point. In fact, many investors are afraid to start because of fear in this place. It's a false breakthrough. In fact, it will continue to decline. As a result, this large section of the rise was missed. So what do we do after we miss it? There's still a chance to make up for it. Basically, after a large period of rise, he will encounter a pressure. There is a natural pullback when pressure arises. This callback is for us. It's a second chance to get on the bus. Don't worry too much about this. The software will give very clear prompts. The first step into investing in the stock market. First, learn how to choose stocks. Put this super stock pick to good use. Then your investment is more than half successful.